Hey everybody, I'm going to do my first review on these Tommee Tippee Advanced Anti Colic bottles. In this package, you get 2 of these 5-ounce bottles, and you get 2 of these 9-ounce bottles. Also, you're going to get these, which are really great for cleaning the nipples of these bottles. And I'm going to start by boiling mine to get them all sanitized since I don't have a dishwasher, and then I'll continue and show you guys how I like them. Now that we have all of our bottle parts boiled and sterilized, you can put it together. These 3 pieces right here are going to make up the part for the anti-colic, and they're going to be put together like this. And then of course it's going to go down in your bottle, and it kind of goes inside of it, and then you're going to put your lid on there. And the nipple on this is a lot more natural, so you shouldn't have any problems with the breastfeeding. They should go right back and forth between them. And of course you got the anti-colic and everything, and it's soft and it's super easy to clean. I've had no problems out of this. My son loves it, and he's had problems with gas and stuff, and this really seems to help him out. So I would recommend this product for any of you moms who are having problems with that.